Welcome to UNV Academy. In this episode, we will show you the port management of Cloud Managed Switch. Let's get started. Enter the Cloud Managed Switch web interface. First, port loop prevention. It can prevent loop problems caused by wiring errors or configuration errors and ensure the normal network. We can enable port loop detection for each port from here. Then, we can set port on the Cloud Managed Switch. We can enable or disable ports, port isolation, extended mode, and flow control from this interface. Click here to enable the port isolation. Devices cannot communicate with each other after this function is enabled. All downstream devices can communicate only with the upstream port. The downlink port cannot communicate with each other. We can also click here to enable the port extension function. It can extend the network signal transmission distance. When the distance between the camera and the switch exceeds 100 meters, the function can be turned on to extend the distance to a maximum of 250 meters. And the side effect is that the network speed is reduced to a maximum of 10 megabits per second. We can both configure the port from here, or we can set them one by one. Click Operation. We can set port speed, duplex mode, and flow control from here. Next, port mirroring. It can copy the packets on the switch. This helps locate and analyze network problems. Click Add and configure parameters as needed. Finally, port VLAN. It divides different broadcast domains based on on-site networking requirements to isolate devices. Click Configuration and finish setting as needed.